This is the Model C Sentinel Daily Dose for the pre-market of Wednesday, April 8th, 2026. System Identity. The Model C Sentinel is online. Precision protocols are active. Disclaimer. This briefing is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Current status. Air trap detected. Thrust trap active. Section 1. Vital signs. First, the smoothed volatility Z-score. The surface level chop has completely died down. Our vol Z-score dropped significantly to a very safe negative 0.65. Second, the VIX. Here is where the math breaks from the narrative. Despite major positive news, the fear gauge violently reversed course and surged nearly 7% to close at 25.78. Third, liquidity. Institutional breadth barely budged. The tide ratio remains mathematically depressed at 0.85. Fourth, the bear probability score. Internal systemic risk remains pinned at 65%, holding us in a high bear risk environment. Section 2. The forensic analysis. Yesterday, the market received a massive fundamental catalyst. President Trump officially announced a 2-week geopolitical ceasefire. If you are a discretionary trader who trades the news, you probably cheered, hit the buy button, and assumed the global uncertainty was finally over. The headlines were universally bullish, and retail traders rushed into the market to catch the relief rally. But look at the version 16.4 dashboard today. The Sentinel system did not unlock. Instead, it triggered a massive, blaring air trap detected status. Why? Because algorithms do not read news articles. They read institutional money flow. And yesterday, the money flow revealed a lethal divergence. While retail traders were buying the ceasefire headline, what did the institutions do? The VIX spiked by nearly 7%. This means that while the dumb money was buying the news, the smart money was aggressively buying put protection and bracing for a sudden drop. The system mathematically identified this as a thrust trap, a scenario where vol Z drops but the VIX spikes simultaneously. Institutions are using the retail liquidity generated by the positive headline to secretly unload their bags. Section 3. Tactical command. The tactical command on the dashboard is absolute. Thrust trap active. Vol Z. Delta is negative. VIX delta is positive. Stand down. Max positions. 0. Number 1. Do not trade the headlines. The ceasefire is a narrative trap. A market that spikes the VIX on good news is a market that is deeply, structurally broken. Number 2. Breadth never lies. The tide ratio is still dead at 0.85. The institutions did not accumulate stocks yesterday. They just shuffled the deck. We do not buy until the tide crosses 1.0. Number 3. Hold the shield. You are entering day 27 of a 100% cash lockout. We remain entirely on the sidelines. End of briefing.